Hello everyone, this is Miss Quality. This video is illustrating the current situation of factory quality management by relying solely on factory quality control and the advantages of third-party inspection. I hope importers can understand the significance and value of implementing third-party inspection, because it can not only promote perfection and improvement of factory product quality, but also help importers improve their market competitiveness and promote the sustainable development of their enterprises while promoting international economic and trade activities. This will be the common expectation of foreign trade people. Many importers love the in-house quality inspection. Why do I think it cannot replace the third-party inspection? Of course, this is a fact that we have witnessed on our own after having been to hundreds of factories for inspection. There is no perfect quality in any product, whether it is made by machine or purely by hand. Especially the lower the cost of the product is, the greater the potential quality risk will be. This is because product quality involves many levels, such as the selection of raw materials, the grade of production equipment, the process of production, and the quality management of the factory. We will stand in the QA's perspective to dig the potential problems of appearance and function before quality control. At the same time, it must be tested from the perspective of consumers so that there is no blind spot, which help e-commerce customers to reduce the generation of bad reviews. In recent years, many small and medium-sized factories have established quality management awareness, but in the process of quality management development, there are still many problems and directly hinder the improvement of factory product quality and service. These are the main influencing factors. The quality of the product depends on the quality consciousness of the factory personnel. From our experience, many factories have a weak quality awareness among the rest of the personnel except for the high-ranking ones. But these personnel are the key to achieving product quality. So how can we expect them to oversee the production of goods with high quality? A lot of factories attach great importance to quality certification. However, this emphasis is often on the certification result rather than the whole production process. Even if the factory has passed the quality certification, it cannot guarantee that the company's products can fully meet the needs of the importer. So many smart importers will arrange a comprehensive factory inspection as a way to ensure that the factory's production capacity is consistent with the certificate and the actual quality management is rigorous and standardized. Factories are generally divided into two categories. One category is focused on one product, hoping to be a giant in the field. The other category is multi-product, but generally, this type of factory quality management level is poor because they like to make quick money, mainly focusing on popular items. Even if they do not have the production capacity of the product, they will spare no effort to outsource the production of the product, which leads to uneven product quality and no way to control the production process. With the development of the internet in recent years, Amazon and other e-commerce sites have also developed rapidly. There is no doubt that Amazon could not operate without the quality of the products. The quality is the guarantee of word of mouth and its added value. But the cruel reality is that a random bad review on Amazon can lead to a sharp decline in sales of the product. That is to say, no quality is no sales, no benefits, no development. In such a competitive environment, there are many Amazon sellers who do not even have their own warehouses after importing from China. The products are put into Amazon warehouses, which are shipped by Amazon warehouses on their behalf. Under such sales conditions, how to achieve their own product quality assurance is a problem that every e-commerce sellers need to constantly think about. In such an environment, the third-party inspection company's platform is like a lifeline for every e-commerce company, helping merchants to carry out product risk control, according to the results of the inspection, to assess the quality of the whole batch of goods, to the factory to make relevant suggestions for improvement, and issuing a third-party inspection report. Back to our topic today, why can factory internal quality inspection replace third-party quality inspection? Because even with a strong quality consciousness, what are the possible risks of relying solely on in-plant inspection? Quality control will involve the cooperation of several departments, but when the division of labor in a certain workflow is not clear, or there is an error in communication between the responsible persons, they will lead to errors in the whole process, which eventually affects the quality of the product. Even the factory personnel will shift the blame to each other. Then the original efficient production management may be interrupted. The unity of the factory will face a great test. Under the current situation of factories, it is still difficult to improve the quality in the manufacturing process based on the quality of factory staff, factory management, and the cost of each link. Many factories will rely on customers' complaints to improve the quality. Of course, factories managing to do this can also be a part of the importer's supply chain management system. Items in vogue are updated quickly, so there will be a situation where the product design process only focuses on efficiency and ignores the quality itself. If the quality control is relaxed on the design process and then do quality management later, it is too late to mend the fault. Now, many factories doing export sales have multiple standards for product quality requirements. The quality requirements for selling to Europe and the United States are high and will be strictly controlled, and the requirements for selling to South Africa and other countries are lower, so it may produce two quality levels of products at the same price, which will obviously damage the interests of many importers and will even affect the production of high-quality products. After all, workers are unable to operate multiple standard processes at the same time. In today's environment, quality is fundamental to the survival and development of importers. To control product quality, every importer and factory needs to establish quality awareness and continuously improve product quality, which is the general trend in today's market.